It is the day after Easter and Monday. About to open up the shop. Look at that. It's dead in the streets again. Oh well, people. Let's get this money. Okay, it looks like we're gonna be starting the Regal. Look at it and it's all its beauty. We're gonna start with the sound system install. So we're gonna swap out the front speakers, add that 5-channel, and do the rear speaker. The customer had some cables in there. They were already ripped, so we're gonna go ahead and redo them.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, talk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie so they overlook me. Then I double up again, none of their knows, none of them cold. They just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm to the one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who in the...
All right, check it out. This is the sunroof. It's an inbuilt. They call it the inbuilt because it has an extra spot right here where the track goes back and the roof goes into the cab, right? So look at how Javier's gonna attempt to do this. Yeah, this is much bigger than the top slider. What you think? You got room?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, guys, take a look at it because this is the last time you're gonna see it. So yeah, guys. Woohoo! Dímelo bien. Oh, I'm excited for this one, guys. I'm excited.
What in the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me, they need a blade and a sheath, a shank and a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy at sea, with ace a marine, an ace up their sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash.
All right, it looks like they took apart all the inside. Junior took apart, dang, Junior fell through the wall. We gotta take all these little plastic pieces off. Took everything off, Junior? Took everything off?
Yeah, I'm just putting all the screws back in so we don't know where they go.
And then I got Javier getting ready to mark it up. Are they gonna, the people on YouTube are gonna tell you, oh, you scratched the top.
This part?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
What are you gonna do, man?
Do you think you don't get mad if I scratch it?
I wouldn't do it because they're gonna talk shit anyways. Guys, don't worry. There's gonna be a big ass hole right there, guys.
Beast with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they would lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done. I think it's all fun. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready.
All right, so the hole's been cut out. Was that scary?
Huh?
Was it scary for you? What kind of subwoofer can we put in this hole now? The new L7 rectangle.
So, who was the first company to build a square wheel?
MTX. No,
I see something way before MTX, way before.
Pyramid.
First company that I saw with the square woofer was Sony.
Oh, they made a square?
Yeah, and it was an aluminum cone, and it was like honeycomb aluminum. You see that Toyota one?
All right, so we want to just take this down a little more so that way we can get a better fit. So yeah, so the amplifier got installed already. See it there. Speakers need to be finished up. Ready to come out this bad boy. All right, now they're gonna utilize these things right here to create pressure in order to keep it nice and tight. And then, yeah, so the wires got ran for the speakers. Right now, the 6x9s got ran the wires. Amplifiers already instalado. Woo! Can I see the little baby speakers? Check out these baby Alpine speakers. Look at this. Look at that. They're so cute. Those are gonna go on top of the dash. And then these Alpine Type R's, they're gonna go in the back. Good thing they're Type R with the needle-dated magnet, huh? So it's like a little more room.
Yeah, but have you wanna
Look for this.
Wanna order the
adapters? Cool. It's pretty crazy, guys. I don't know if we saw already the cutting and all that. All right, this is we're gonna redo this car real quick. Of this. This is Fernando and Dean's install rescue. So these are the cables we got running down here. Show them. Can you see? So they had to extend the cables because they forgot how long the car was.
We're as bad as the RCAs on the other side.
Extensions here, here,
Yeah.
and then
one cheap power wire.
and then on the other side, I think they pinched the RCAs.
Oh, right.
Oh, nice.
oh, check it out over here. The
Fixaciones.
Pinched right here. I took it off already, but pinched. This one was pinched too, look. Right there.
Cut. That's what caused probably interference, no? Alright, so we'll watch them redo this.
Gross and turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
Yeah! How you enjoying working on cars?
I work on cars every fucking day, bro.
I mean, like, the basic installs.
It's whatever's, bro.
You'd rather be on your laser machine, huh?
Um,
Pew, 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 pew.
I got a lot of shit to do on Monday, so it's not.
Are you ready for tomorrow's SRT Scat Pack?
I have the doors of Danny inside already.
You took them off?
Yeah.
Nice.
I have Anthony still.
Yeah, we heard you. We heard you. So yo this way. Oh, look, it's SQ Mazda. Hey, bro, let's get you like a 15-minute clip on my show. Come on. This, I don't know if you guys know who this guy is. His name's Jack. Damn, this thing's heavy, bro. It's like you're trying to pick me up. So we got 3 amplifiers. And the first thing I'm noticing right now, there are no RCAs and the amps, but it's working.
It's magic, bro.
Tell them what's in there.
3 ARC Audio SC or 2 ARC Audio SC 4200s comp modded. Then we got a single 2300 SC powering the 15-inch Adair Audio Tumults.
So in layman's terms,
Yes.
tell them how many watts all the amps are, because that's what people are like. How many watts is it though, bro?
Bro, it bangs. Is that the rating you want? It
No,
bangs?
no. How many watts?
RMS or you want
The RMS.
Or you want fake ratings?
The RMS.
420 to 30, like 2500. Yeah.
And that's a single 15-inch Adair woofer that's broken in, like, ooh. And then, tell them what's behind there. I see it. I'm
That's the ARC Audio PSA Pro with custom RCAs coming from the GS9.
Okay, show them this over here speaker.
Focal 8-inch Utopia M in the factory door. We have a 1-inch Utopia M tweeter. And then we also have in the factory dash locations, we have a 3.5 Utopia M.
So the 3-way Utopia, you lucky bastard. And then,
budget building.
And then they got the PS8 controller. And how many state champions?
One on the belt.
One on the belt. And also we have a, what is the other thing?
We got third for worlds.
Third for worlds.
But we also did
which is
get-
biased, man, because you know what? I'm not gonna say it, guys. I'm just gonna tell you there was 3 judges. One of them was West Coast, the rest were the East Coast. But yeah, man, this is the SQ Mazda, and then we're gonna be doing the custom trunk as soon as this guy gets over the other 10 customs.
Yeah.
We'll let you guys hear it. Maybe he'll let you hear it. Put the headphones on because you're gonna want to hear this. Look at these pillars too, man. Look at those shits. These shits are sexier than. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Listen, that's the end of the show. I appreciate you always, because without you guys, this videos won't be possible. Also comment, like, subscribe, and always do me a favor, thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I enjoy doing what we do. Also, that G-Body 1984 Buick Regal, tell me that wasn't sick. The sound system sounded amazing, sounded really good. So, peace.